The best way for a tenant to reduce their repairing liability for the end of their term is to commission a schedule of condition, which would be attached to the lease at the very outset. You would need freeholders' consent to apply this, but it can't unreasonably be withheld. Schedule of condition is a detailed document of text and photographs, and for a shop of 1,000 square feet could typically run into 50 or 60 pages. The important thing for a tenant to bear in mind is don't be perturbed by what they read in the report. It is to find every single fault and disrepair, so that when you hand the premises back at the end of your term, you don't have to hand them back in any better condition. If a tenant has not commissioned a schedule of condition, at the end of the lease, the landlord is usually within their rights, according to the terms of the lease, to serve a schedule of dilapidations upon the tenant to put the premises back into good repair. The cost of the schedule of dilapidations is usually to be borne by the tenant as well.